Do you feel like you are just hitting yourself over the head trying to think positive? I mean, you get up in the morning, you have all these positive thoughts, and then the negative thoughts start coming into your life. And they are stealing away your abundance, your money, your relationships, and your happiness. I've got 7 keys that will help you. Hi there, high flyers. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and Alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon because every day we're here with a new empowering video to help change your life. The latest stuff in the mind sciences, and of course the ancient mysteries and the law of attraction. It's all designed to empower your life. So that's what people feel like. They feel like they're banging their head against a wall, trying to think positive. And they use the word, I'm trying to think positive. I'm trying to think positive. There it is. We're trying to think positive. But trying to think positive isn't something you try. It's something you do. And you need some tools to help you do it. Because when you're thinking positive, you're raising your vibration up and you're moving more in alignment with your intention, your dreams, your goals, your true abundance. Whether it's money, whether it's a relationship or love, whether it's happiness, health, vitality, you decide. You have the power to change the direction of your life by the very thoughts that you think. And if you choose low vibrational negative thoughts, you're going to get low vibrational negative action. If you choose high vibrational positive thoughts, you'll get positive actions. You'll get positive results. You'll be surprised. You will actually tap in to a resource of unlimited potential and power. We call that the miracle line. That's where you literally break through this membrane and you start pulling miracles into your life. Doesn't it feel good? Oh yeah. Feels wonderful to pull miracles into your life. But it begins with a positive mental attitude. PMA, positive mental attitude. Okay, key number 1. When you have a negative thought, find at least one positive thing in your life and picture it multiplying. This is a huge key, high flyers. You take one thought, one positive thought, and you see it getting bigger and bigger and multiplying into other positive images in your mind. And pretty soon you start to line up several positive images in your mind. And that's really important because when you have all of these positive images in your mind, then you're giving less room for negative energy and negative thoughts to come into your thought process, which means your intentions are working more effectively. Your subconscious mind and your conscious mind are more in positive alignment. So find that one positive thought. That one positive thought and multiply it, make it bigger, see more of it. You're going to feel so much better and you're going to push those dark clouds away. Key number 2, I think, is essential. And that is we begin to monitor our self-talk, but we also monitor what we speak. Literally, we, at some level, speak our reality into existence. In the Bible, it says that God spoke the universe into existence. And so speech represents something very powerful that human beings have that all the other animals don't have, at least not to the level that human beings do. Now, the most important part about this second key is the I am statements that you make about yourself. I am sad. I am depressed. I am unhappy. I'm sick. Those are I am statements that you might be making to yourself, and it's about yourself. It's about your condition. It's about who you are. It's about what you're becoming. You see, when you make an I am statement about who you are, I am sick. I am unhealthy. I am worried. I'm fearful. When you make those statements to yourself about yourself, that's what you will attract. Very, very important to understand that. So you flip those out, you stop making them, and you catch yourself when you do make them, and you start using positive I am statements. I am happy. I am resourceful. I'm ingenious. I'm magnetic. You see, positive I am statements begin to attract the kind of energy, the kind of people, the kind of opportunities that you desire. So look at it. If your goal, if your intention is more money, you need all that positive I am energy to help you increase your income. I don't know of anybody who made $1 million or more walking around going, I'm broke, I'm poor, I'm done, I'm busted. Nobody ever made $1 million with that kind of self-talk. And you have more than $1 million coming into your life. So one of the keys is to change those I am statements. Very, very, very important. Number 3 is what I call the power pose. And rather than me do it for you, because we can't get it all on camera here, I will have Rachel put up a picture. I think we used one in another video. The power pose, if you will do it for 2 minutes every morning, but you've got to hold that pose for 2 minutes. And while you're in the power pose, you are affirming those positive I am statements. It will literally change your hormones. You'll feel so much better. You'll feel so much more empowered, and you'll become more magnetic. You'll begin attracting more of what you desire. It's amazing. You'll walk down the hall after doing the power pose at work, and everybody will go, "Who is that? Is that the new owner of the company?" You just have that energy. You just feel like you own everything. And you do. This is your world. This is your time. You own it all. This is for you. Okay? Don't doubt that. And that power pose puts that God force energy into your body in such a powerful way and you only have to do it for 2 minutes. You only have to do it for 2 minutes. Do it every morning when you get up. Right after you get out of the shower, get dried off, get some underwear on, and stand in front of that mirror, and oh yeah, there's the power pose. So key number 4 of these 7 keys to help you with positive thinking, to help you with a positive mental attitude, is make resourceful choices. Make powerful choices that you can leverage. Anthony Robbins says, it's your decisions and not your conditions that determine your destiny. High flyers, I fully agree with that. Your decisions will determine your destiny, not your condition. A lot of people have come out of some horrible, miserable conditions, but they've achieved incredible greatness in their own life. They've become phenomenal musicians or artists or business entrepreneurs or teachers. They've done incredible things for our society, and you can too. It's not your condition, it's your decision. Now, your decisions are actions. Your decisions are actions. Listen to me right now. This is the most important thing I'm going to say today. There is no attraction without action. There is no attraction without action. I have literally heard a law of attraction guru on the internet say that you can attract without action. Your vibrations are very important, but your vibrations in combination with your actions become an unstoppable force. Look at this rock. As beautiful as it is, it could exist for 10 million years. It would never attract anything because it can't take action. Now, you have an advantage. You have an incredible advantage. You have a heartbeat. You have an energy field. You have a mind. You have a subconscious mind. You have a connection to infinite source energy. You have the ability to take action. The next time you hear someone tell you that you can attract with no action whatsoever, turn it off, get away, run as fast as you can, because they are lying to you. Remember, it's not your condition that will determine your outcome. It's your decisions. And decisions always lead to actions. Number 5 is make gratitude your attitude. I know a number of people that I have talked to over the years, they write me letters and they go, Robert, is gratitude really that important? And the answer is yes. Gratitude is essential, because without gratitude, you don't have this incredible, uplifting, positive energy to attract more of it. In other words, when you're in a state of incredible gratitude, like, wow, the sky is beautiful, the earth, the air, my body, I have it all. When you're in a state of gratitude, there's no room for negative thoughts. You can't have a negative thought when you're deep into a state of gratitude. So some people will use a gratitude journal, and I absolutely love that because it keeps them on track. It keeps them on focus. But why not fill yourself, your energy field, your thoughts, your aura with gratitude all day long? Look for little reasons. Get up in the morning and have the word gratitude right on your mirror, your bathroom mirror, so that the first thing you think about is gratitude. And all day long, you're looking for reasons to be grateful. And you don't have to look very far. Look at yourself. Hey, guess what? I got a hand. It moves. Wow, is it moving by itself or am I doing this? I'm not sure. Anyway, gratitude. Be grateful. And it's not just grateful for the things that you desire. It's grateful for everything that has been given to you. High flyers, number 6 is focus on your inner vibration. What's going on in here rather than outer evidence. Outer evidence many times means nothing. What means something in you manifesting the relationship you desire, the abundance you desire, the life you crave and desire. What really matters is your beliefs. Your beliefs determine your vibration. Listen, vibration is not just a good mood. It's not mood. Don't confuse your mood with your vibration. Your vibration is your beliefs and your thoughts and your self-talk and the actions that you take to follow that up every day. It's about your personal integrity, first to yourself and then to the world. So look less at outside evidence. I'm not telling you to ignore it, but look less at it because it can change like that, overnight. You are one thought away. Do you realize that? You are one thought away from becoming a multimillionaire. And finally, high flyers, taking action. Taking positive, inspired action creates positive thinking. It creates a positive mindset. It creates PMA. Do it now. Do it now. Right now. Right now while this video is on, before you go to the next video. Take on a positive mindset. Live it now. Do it now. Fill yourself with it now. And listen, I can't make you do this. I can only ask you. This is one of the most important videos that I've created. It's a life changer. If you'll share it with other people, I think it will make a great difference in their life, and I hope that it will make a great difference in your life. Matter of fact, I'm certain it will if you'll just apply these 7 keys. But start taking creative, inspired action based on your positive thoughts. The positive thoughts, the positive vibration that flows through your energy field. You are wealthy. You are loved. You are healthy. All good things are already in existence in your life. We love you. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.